flooring is fine. So I'm saying this is just a small space we should have to literally work with. There's nothing much. So from here to from here. Good. Hey, straight, don't do that, straight. Don't do that. Don't do that. Big up all of the subscribers. So what you say, you mash up the things them inside?
Yeah, in a sense.
Why? What's going on?
Because I just don't know technology yet, neither. Gravitated to it full.
Straight, don't do that again, straight. Yeah. Come through, Gerald. To your right, keep wide from them. Hey. $19,000 for you.
Thank you very much, Randy.
19,000 here for you from Wendy. So count it, so it's 19. 2,000 a pot.
I've been nervous.
This is the bread.
And that's the middle.
And the fruit. And we have $15,000 a year from Will, from Canada towards the project, towards the bathroom. So that's 15,000 from Will, from Canada.
Well,
me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them I want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well. Blessed love, guys. Welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I hope you're having a wonderful day, guys, anywhere you are or anywhere you're watching from. Welcome. So, guys, as you could see, hold on 1 second. So, guys, as you could see, the back to school treat, it was really a blessing, and everything turned out well. And we give thanks to all our extended family that made this back to school possible. We thank you guys so much. Alright, it was a crowd, and the kids them turn out, literally there's a lot of kids same way didn't get a bag, and as I did plan that I want to get the names of the ones that didn't get the bag, but by the time I'm ready to do that, they already left. I really definitely want to try my best, to make sure that we can get as much back, for the next back to school treat, which is when the overcomers have spoken, and they said that they're gonna literally try, their best, because we're gonna need about 1,000 bags, for the next time around. What we're gonna do next year, so if we have 1,000 bags, we're gonna have 1,000 armbands also, right? So any amount of bags we have, we're gonna start to have armbands to match the amount of bags. So the kids then that literally came out, early, the first sets of kids then that came out, we're gonna actually give them an armband, so whenever we're giving out bags, it's only the ones then with the armbands can literally get a bag, so in that case now, no one have to worry about trying to bombard it with the crowd or try not to make a line, because I think that's the problem, because people feel like they're not going to get a bag, so if we have armbands for the amount of bags that we're going to literally be giving out, and explain to them that it's only with an armband we can get a bag. So if the armband is finished, that means that the bag is going to be also finished, so I think that will be our next plan, next idea of moving forward with this crowd, so tell me guys what you think. We're going to have armbands for the amount of bags that we're at, so when the kids they get the armband, and that armband will literally guarantee them to get a knapsack bag. You know, so that will literally give us more organization of organizing the crowd, so they won't feel like they're gonna be left out if they're not gonna get any bag. They'll guarantee know that they're gonna get a bag. From you have your armband, it's a guarantee you're gonna get your bag. So you have to just form the line according to just get the bags. You know, so for next year, you know, that's the plan, to have to drive to raise about 1,000 bags. You know, because there's so many kids in Churchtown. You know, so much. So now, guys, after the back to school now is out the way, so our main focus right now is to be organizing and starting out Jenna project, you know, which is for us to literally start out the donations, gathering the funds, you know, to get the materials for Jenna to start off with our bathroom, which is well needed for her. You know, so that is our next move, you know, to be heading on to this project, you know, so we can move on to the next, you know. So this is it, guys. You know, the journey continues, you know, and we thank each and every one of our extended family, you know, that help out towards on this journey that we're on. So, you know, I'm saying thank you guys that's been supporting this program for the last 5 years, you know, and nothing but love and love alone. So let's move on to the next and continue. You know, we all got a purpose, and I guess my donors, my extended family, you know, you all playing your part now by showing your true purpose, by helping out the people that's really in need of the help. You know, I would thank you guys so much for your love and your support. You know, so this is what we're literally gonna leave behind. You know, our legacy of showing love. You know, so that is the way forward for us. You know, guys, so don't feel like you're not playing your part, you know, by literally doing your purpose. You are playing your part by giving back, you know, so there's nothing wrong. So yeah, man, so I'm gonna head right now downtown to get myself some, you know, jelly water, and then I'm gonna head into Trenchtown, you know, to give out a donation as well too, and stop off at iBus Spice to get myself something to eat before I can literally take on this journey today. So stay tuned, guys. So that is the plan. So blessed love, peace. It's windy, very windy. So guys, I am down here to come get some coconut water. One Joshua.
Just gonna start make some product, you know. Everything sell up on yesterday, so must be share some product.
Yeah.
Just get in the tool up. Just sanitize the sky juice them. And I get it in preparation.
Yeah, sanitize guys.
Sanitize the sky.
Yeah.
Watch it now.
It's a windy day.
Everything good,
So,
okay?
yeah. So tomorrow thing then.
Yeah, tomorrow link me, see me. Pick up on the cell. 1 key in it, see me. Definitely.
Man, I have to find you, man.
Yeah. I'm there right through now, man, see me.
Alright,
Yeah,
I'm gonna link Moses to come and make Moses prepare something to me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? So tomorrow I'm circle then.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Can have no juice in me as usual. No drink as usual. I don't know what I go on with this man.
No, I think we want, man.
Yeah, this minute. But you know how long I haven't get juice here? It's a very, very long time. Hey, Joshua, why is that?
Juice is going to be active, you know. There's some inconveniences.
Yeah, it's been a while I haven't get no drink from this man. Long time. It's about a year most.
Last time about a year, man. We have juice every day, man. But sometimes when I come, juice is done.
A more time I come, him locked up, he's not even here. No, I go on.
No,
Talk to you. Alright then, so guys, let me go link Moses quickly and get my drink down, get my jello water down here. Man like Moses.
Oh, one keynote, you know.
Cool man,
Yeah,
all is
man,
well.
yeah, man. Keynote life, you know, life in Jamaica, my boss. No, my brother.
Brother.
Brother, man,
brother.
man, respect.
It's been a while, you know.
Yeah, cool, no, man.
It's been a while,
Big
because
up,
I
big
wasn't in the island.
Yeah, I know, say I was a chillcation, you know.
Yes, so you call it chillcation.
Yeah.
Not a vacation.
Yeah, because you have to be back, you know, and not vacate the place.
Yeah,
So
okay.
chill out a bit.
Alright, I like that one.
Yeah,
I like that
man,
one.
yeah,
So
man,
guys, I was having a chillcation.
Yeah,
Not
man.
a vacation. I wasn't vacating the place.
Yeah,
You
man,
know,
big
so-
up all of the subscribers. Yeah, you know me, I say, always come and check out Moses right here at Alkaline Delight. Eat for health and taste. Hey, Kino Life, I want to tell you so right now, I love your subscribers, I love your viewers,
Yeah.
we love your program, right? They come and support, and they just want to endorse what you're doing for us here in Jamaica, taking to the world. So, yeah, man. Big up, way up, and glad you're back. Hope you're well rested.
Yeah.
And to live some more life in Jamaica right now.
Right now, and that is it. That is it.
Yeah, true.
So, we say got any water for me today?
Well, don't got any cold bottle water, but we got what you see right here and some extract. 1 second flat.
Yeah. Well, I must say, as he was saying, I'm not vacating Jamaica, so I was on a chillcation. So it's not a vacation, like I'm vacating Jamaica. No, I was on a chillcation. You know, so that's how I work it right now. Guys, I need a chillcation next, soon. You know, let's see where I'm going. So let me organize some. I need those sweet ones. You know my regular bottle, that bottle already?
Yeah, I got you. I'm gonna go get a one product and be right back.
Alright. So guys, so today, not looking so bad downtown, but for some reason, it's really a windy day today down here. It's really windy. Bad, literally just windy bad. You know, but that's good, you know, because the sun is hot, so you also need that tropical breeze to come with it. You know, so it doesn't make sense the sun is hot and I get no tropical breeze with it. You know, so you know, I need my electrolytes, and so I can make everything right. So electrolytes to make everything right. Yeah, so Moses back in the action right now. So the sweet ones,
Sweet ones, them ashy looking one there. Ashy looking one, get the hazard up here.
lick it like a cola bottle.
The vibes key to bring that place.
Yeah. Alive. Long time. Crow one more time. For crowing. Alright then, so here we go. So from hard like that, you know it's sweet.
Yeah, mature.
Mature.
Yeah, look at that. And
is
so the
it.
sugar run out.
Yeah.
I bless up the ground, you know, and I bust on the liquor. I make some for, so I have to make some for your ancestors, you know?
Of course, gotta needed it.
Yeah.
Ancestors have to get some, of course.
Jamaica, they gone one day, you know?
Yeah.
Big up Nanny and them people.
Just.
Nice to be a Jamaican.
Great to be a Jamaican, you know?
Yeah. We say green, gold, black.
That come like a tree jelly going already and almost full.
I'll take them if them did more round up and nicer. Otherwise,
Getting the electrolytes full in this. Okay. To the brim. Look at that natural water. Natural water.
yeah man, straight with that, straight. Buckle nearly done pulling up people, but
So the back is full.
yeah, but you know, say
Look at
we
Brata.
live in Jamaica, right? The Brata something.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Brata, you know the thing though.
yeah, keen of life.
So-
Keep Brata main, so
So the brata need to be in the back for the son and the daughter, you know the thing though.
okay, okay. That's how you want it.
Yeah, put the brata in the back for the son and the daughter.
Real father.
Real father.
You see what I say? Hard, 1P. Yeah. Some of them know the alphabet. Real P, that here people
Yeah.
know that.
And that full.
Yeah. You have to say thanks, you know?
Yeah, so give thanks.
Yeah.
Sealer. From the E. Sealer from the Ealer. Downtown, the sky looking a bit partly cloudy, you know, partly cloud, some clear, but anyway the sun is over there, the cloud kind of a bit under wraps.
Yeah man, big up one money. She make we know about Kino life, is what I say. So
Yeah.
money, big up yourself. You know what I say, respect is way up.
Yeah. Monica, you know you really never know, say yo, Moses at the spot, you know, to come get the natural things then. Yeah, see me? Yeah, way up.
Far out.
Far out. So Monique, you know the thing though. You know the thing though.
Alright. You want one of them jelly beans?
Yeah, put one in the bag now.
Alright. Okay, go on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they may make you get more son and daughter.
Yeah, so this is what make you get more son and more daughter. Diamond.
And you say your son and daughter.
Alright.
Life rough, but you have to fight it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because you have to fight that meat.
And when you look like it's a son,
Yeah.
because you're a stubborn child.
I wonder, cause it's moving stubborn, so that one is like a stubborn child.
Yeah, the one that come off, the stubborn one now, only come off to something extra special too.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we give thanks.
give thanks, glory to God, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, one key in life in Jamaica, got your back, keep doing the right thing. Boom.
Boom. Tell them where you are again.
1A Darling Street, right here in Western Kingston, right alongside the Beckford Street car park. You see my shop right here across the road, you can't miss it.
Yeah. Just to miss it. If you don't drink it, you're gonna diss it. You see it there? The new car park over there. You have the bus parade over there. For the country bus them. You know the thing though. Over there up on the stretch.
Life pandemic.
Alright. Oh, make sure nobody nothing else. You
No
know?
man, no praise Christy man.
So thank you.
Thank you Christy with.
Who?
I some family name.
Oh.
The name Christina Power. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright then take care.
Yeah, take care, father.
Food. Yeah. You got food on the block. On the white. You know, food for the truck. Yeah, food. Food for the system. before you turn in a victim. Get some food for the system. Alright, big up. Yes, sir. Can't complain. Look like it's gonna rain. No, me. So you know I'm going to eat this food quick and fast. I'm not taking long. Quick and fast, I'm going to eat this and then head out back. No. Quick and fast. I don't know. It looks like it's going to rain. Hopefully it don't rain, but it have a look of rain is going to fall sometime soon. But yeah. So hopefully we don't get no rain. You know, as you can see, the place kind of look dark, darkish.
Yeah, but I see the food, I love all the food.
Darkish, so.
But if anything. Alright,
So.
yeah, alright.
Hopefully we're not getting much rain today. I think it's getting that rain breeze as well too. And I can smell a bit of rain. Oh, I think it's raining somewhere else, but not close to here. It's raining somewhere, but not literally here. You know, so hopefully we don't get no rain, so it kind of slow up what I'm going about to do. You know, because I need to go start out some donation and give some donation for Jenna. Also, you know, towards our project. You know, it is straight on. Yeah. But let's keep to your right, keep wide from them. Hey. Babe, sit down. All right. Turn. Relax. What's going on? Brother, calm down. Brother, calm down. Brother, calm down. You see there? Yeah. Turbo. What's wrong? Jump. Up, good boy. Up. Turbo. All right, brother. Turbo, brother. Up. All right, good. So cool. I'm a friend now. That's not good. You know, me animals is good. They call me the dog whisperer. Or animal whisperer. Like, your name is good, you know? Your name is good, so it's good. One time I couldn't do that. So it takes time for you to literally get to know them. But, you know, it takes time. They're going wild. So that's the breadfruit there, right over going roast. Roast. That's it for the breadfruit burger.
Your food.
Do you want food?
Straight, why keep it? How forget food again?
Hey, straight, don't do that, straight. Don't do that.
You don't want to meet you, no?
Yeah, I want it for my talk shoot, but I want to stay up on the fridge.
But you want to stay up on the fridge?
Yeah.
Them are going to want one.
No, oh, if you want, where am I deal with Ibo? Straight, don't do that again, straight. Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Because in a pot.
I'm nervous, Dada.
Because on the breadfruit over there.
Bread, that, no bread.
This is the bread.
And that's the middle.
And the fruit.
Highly. You have to call that now, Dada. One bread.
One bread. We're not talking about them white bread.
No, whole wheat bread.
Whole wheat bread.
Still have been gluten.
Yeah, this is the fruit bread. Yeah, Alright guys, let me go mash up this right now before straight this side to take it back from me. Quick and fast. I'm gonna eat this up quick and fast. No playing, no gaming. Quick and fast. Every day.
You work around here?
Hmm?
You work around here?
Yeah. So I heat here every day.
Nice.
Yeah. I respect your movement. Straight. I'm a general. Yeah. Alright guys, so I got myself a one drink beetroot. Yeah. So I am feeling well. I'm feeling well now. I'm feeling well, so guys, this is my hold on. So guys, this is my bamboo charcoal. You know, this was part of the detox as well too. We have this every day, you know, for a week. You know, so it's called bamboo charcoal. So you drink this, you know, after you have a meal. So black it is. So bamboo charcoal, you can Google it and see the health benefit, what it's good for. So you can Google bamboo charcoal. So this is part of the detox as well too. It's nothing that will taste bad or anything. The whole thing to leave make your mouth black because of the coal, and your tongue black after you drink it. So there's nothing bitter about it. There's no taste. It's just like you're drinking water. So it's good. So let's head out now, you know. Just
Yeah, that was saying tell me I pass on that stick now I walk with.
Never walk with me. I like it about tonight.
why at the phone?
Yeah.
Jella, something I'm going because I see something happening with my one.
Just a swells on the battery bus tonight. I'm gonna cry it up at the phone place go be the man.
A twin on Columbus Road.
Just left it down okay.
A twin on Columbus Road, the my one when? Where does the trees on the Saturday? Twin on Columbus Road. That's how my battery swell up in my phone.
Change it and put it on different battery.
Yeah.
You don't know him do that?
Yeah, the same thing on Columbus Road. Yeah, cause no, when I pass and realize my was shop. I'm sure I'm just at the battery swell up. Something are going on, some strong radiation, something going on. But I like something literally going on because you see even my camera, the battery swell up in the back. That's why I forget a different camera now, because the battery swell up and push out the whole of the back of the camera. And now it happened to my phone as well, to my iPhone. The battery swell up and open up the whole phone. And Jella just tell me, say, your phone, the battery swell up as well too, and busting her phone. So something is going on, some strong frequency that's pushing out some radiation. Something was so strong, and then the place is so hot as well too. Like it is so extremely hot. You know, something's going on.
The man I tell him, say, go fix it quick, you know, because the screen will
Yeah.
drop the freeway. So when you go back and come back,
Yeah, screen mash.
screen gone, genius.
Yeah, I see thing to him tell me say, it will mash up the screen.
When they don't go give him $4 already, and still say, I'm going to just put it in the battery for me.
Yeah,
And
different thing.
I'm going to just let it.
Alright, Jella, come
Try to save it.
go on your side. I will do donation for you towards the project. So alright guys, so here we're back at Jenna. We're going to the yard still. So guys, I can see Jenna space. You know, I hear a lot of you guys were saying about we cannot go back because this is a space where people pass. And if you can notice, Jella right here, so Jella space is not square. You know, it's like a little triangle like this. So it's not square. So but you don't have much space to work with more than you have to just literally work with the same space which you have. you know, this same space here. As you can see, it's not square, you know, so from there to there it looks like it, but it's not square. So we can't even come out any further because this is where people walk from to literally go. So Jella only have a small space, so that's why Baja said he's gonna put the bathroom on this side, you know, and while he's gonna do that, sorry Jenna, while he's gonna do that, he's gonna use piece of the step right here, you know, to catch everything right here, you know. So basically the door is gonna push back a little bit, you know, and he's gonna use piece of the step which is gonna use and cast it, you know, so it have one level, so it have a little bit more space. So you cannot go no further from here, you know. So basically it's very small, but you know, Baja with the vision, I have the plan, so he's gonna make it work, you know, and this is the situation right here, you know. So Jella, what me to do? Let me show them back something as well to pick on fast. So guys, so I said the space is limited, so the place is not much of a space with too much angle where anything can deal with, you know. And for Jenna now and the same thing is similar, same thing like Warchef or Warchef place was, you know, which is where Baja forgot use right here now to make a little kitchen, because you cannot put the bathroom over here, because they put the bathroom over here, they're gonna need more space to push back, you know, because otherwise you have to take up the whole of this space and you're gonna have much space to go that way. So that's why the space is so small and convenient, you know. So this is basically the space, you know. It's nothing much can really get done, nothing much at all, you know, like this. Jill, let me see your floor good. Alright, so this is Jella's bedroom, you know. So she already have Solitex already up in the ceiling, so the ceiling is not so much bad, right? So our floor is firm already, board, right?
Yeah.
And firm.
Yeah.
So this I need to tile in. This I need to tile, because if it did have a problem, then no budget would have probably have to tile it. I don't need no tiling though, quite firm. So our flooring is fine. So I'm saying this is just a small space we should have to literally work with. There's nothing much. So from here to, you see where this is gonna come back a bit more here, you know, which is the door is gonna be a bit more further over, you know, and there's nothing much we can do with the space. And Baja just said this is where you're gonna put like a countertop, because it's gonna block this out as well. It's gonna use black to block this out also. And then now he's gonna do a countertop right across here, which can have a little kitchen and the bathroom over on that side, you know. So that's how it's set right now at the minute for Jenna. So there's nothing much, because of the space is very, very limited, you know, here in Trinidad, because everyone's building. Everyone's building. So if you make people build before you, your space is gonna be limited, you know. And that's the thing, when people build something before you, they're just gonna take the space that they see, and when you're ready for building, the space is already gone. So that's why you have to always make sure you build first before somebody else start build. But once somebody else build before you, they already take up the space already, you know, because that's what this place is, space to space. So this is why you see the place is looking so clustered, because people just work with the space for them, say quick and fast, you know, quick and fast. So alright, come through, Jella. Alright, come down, Jella. Let's see the price. Alright, Jella, so we have some donation here towards the project, you know, from our extended family. And we have $15,000 a year from Will, you know, from Canada, towards the project, towards the bathroom. So that's $15,000 from Will, from Canada.
Well. Thank you very much. Very, very much. May your food basket never empty well. Thanks. Love and love only. Thank you very much.
Yes, guys. I must say, Jella been waiting patiently, and she been around for a very good while now, and she been waiting patiently. As I must say, nothing done before the time, and I guess this is Jella time right now. I have another donation here from GG from New York, which is $10,000 towards Jenna project.
GG from New York. Thank you very much. Blessing. May the good Lord bless you every time and keep you safe. Thank you again very much.
And I also have this is from so this is from Unknown, $15,000 from Unknown in the US. So from Massachusetts, from Unknown from Massachusetts in the US.
In the US, Unknown from Massachusetts. Thank you very, very much. And may your food basket never empty. Love and love only. Thank you again very, very much.
Alright, so we give thanks from Unknown. I will also have another Unknown as well too in Atlanta.
Yeah.
$30,000 from Unknown in Atlanta. You know yourself.
Yeah. Unknown in Atlanta. Thank you again very much. May your food basket never empty. Love and love only. May the good Lord bless you every time and keep you safe.
So you come from Unknown in Atlanta. Thank you for your blessings. And also another one here from, this is from another Unknown as well too, from New York.
Yeah.
You know yourself, so they want to keep it unknown, So this is 22,000 from Unknown from in New York.
Unknown from New York. Love and love only, yeah. And thank you very, very much. May the good Lord bless you and keep you safe every time. May your food basket never empty. Love and love only. Thank you. All of the donors them across the world. Thank you very much. Push out the effort.
Yes.
My local thing. Thank you very, very much.
Yeah, talk to them.
All of them. Love and love only. Thank you very much again. Push out all the effort towards my place.
Yeah.
Love. Thank you from my heart. Thank you, Peter.
Yeah, man. So, alright, guys. So we give thanks, to our extended family, and I'm saying, Jella, thank you so much. And it's always to have before and after, because we know sometime in life when you're going through your stress, you can literally see what you're going through, and then after, when the weight come off of your shoulder, you're gonna see the big difference. So I guess this is something that literally can help to elevate, the mind, and our joy that you would want, say you at least have a comfortable space, because in life, when you're growing older, all you need sometimes is a comfortable home, and people to make you be happy and food on your table. There's nothing much, and they say yes, you could. So from we can help you to have a comfortable home, trust me, that's literally a blessings, and a weight off our shoulder, and that's one more person that we lift up from where they was and bring them where them can reach in life, when they cannot help themselves, so, because we say teamwork make the dream work, and we only can do it as we unify, how we do that and just move on, same way, when we come together, we are more stronger than any foundation that cement can make, so unity is strength. You are a comfortable woman that she will truly deserve. We thank each and everyone that donate so far. So we thank you. So Jenna.
Yeah, man. Only for respect and only for thanks, man.
Yeah, man. So
all of the donors them. Love and love only.
Yes.
Thank you again. Everything we wanna do. Now and before.
Yeah.
Love and love. Every time.
Yeah,
Thank you, my donors.
So let's go on with the faith, and keep it positive. See, keep praying, for the outcome to be as grateful as we want it to be.
Yeah.
And big up yourself always, Jenna.
Every time, Jesus.
Rasta Jackson. So we have the two Rasta them there. Rasta Orius and Rasta Jackson. Rasta electrician. And one a Rasta electrician and one a Rasta with a waistline.
Sorry. Yes.
One with the electrical, one with the waist. One will shock you. And one spin you like a gig. What opinion then there? Oh. And worship is on the road as well too. Boom reach? Oh. I'm going to wake him up. I have something more to go now. Quick and fast, so. I get Boom out of the house. Boom I live life, you know. Boom is living life. Rasta Messi. Rasta Messi. Boom. I live in life. Is the sun burning out? You don't go and live some life. Boom said the sun burning him out. Yeah, the sun is really bad here, but I like the sun really bad. Eh? Yeah. But at least we get some overcast right here now. Pineda just come off the work.
See, sweat, walk, me I walk just forward a while ago.
By the way.
Good thing the sun no even out.
Yeah.
Remember, river will run right now.
Far you walk from?
Yeah.
Which one?
They call it so. Winnow Road.
Oh.
Winnow Road. South Camp Road and Winnow Road.
Okay. Oh. Alright, so we have Boomia, we have Orius, Worship not there. So, alright guys, so we got a donation for Worship, Boom, Rasta Jackson and Orius as well too. And Pinedo from Will from Canada. You know, so Pinedo come right in time like them. You know when you can time pot, come like Pinedo time the pony. Time like Pinedo come right on time. You know when you can time pot them and time money. Boom. So you have $2,000 a year for you from Will from Canada.
Will from Canada, blessing and one love and thanks.
Will from Canada, so Pinedo, yeah, 2,000 for you as well.
Well, big up yourself, man, enough respect, you hear that? Yeah, man, appreciate it much, man, you hear that? Oh, yeah, man, big up yourself, Will.
Alright, so that's Will from Canada. We have Orius, electrician. So you have 2,000 here for you from Will from Canada.
Will, blessed love, one love, may you full back, plenty, never empty. One team, dream team, one love.
Alright. Now we have Rasta Jackson. So we have 2,000 here for you from Will from Canada.
Will, yeah, give thanks and praise every time. Rastafari, bless and keep and guide every time going out and coming in. Give thanks and praise every time. One love. All the external family, big up on yourself every time. Love you. Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. So we give thanks to Will. You know, thank you so much, Will. We have one for Worship. So Worship is not here as yet, he's on the road, but he's on his way, coming back right now. So we're gonna put his away. So we also have a donation for Patrick also. So I'm gonna check and see if Patrick is there. So I need to get scanner size and Philip size also for Nurse Jackie as well too. So let's try fitting all of that as well too while I'm here, you know. So let's go see Patrick. You in there? try to walk me most inside. But the face look like it's smaller, so I mean put on weight. And if I mean put on weight.
It's a shame.
Patrick!
Yeah.
Patrick!
Yeah, can come.
Come through.
Team, blessed.
Yeah, well, that's right.
Okay. Blessed, what go on?
And today, my brother.
How is everything?
I have to give God thanks and praise, my brother.
Every time.
Yes.
It's
We
the
thank God.
You're not gonna mass today?
No man, to Wednesday, Friday, make a mass.
Oh, on Friday?
Yeah, we go worship.
Okay. So you're not worshipping nothing today?
No. You know you have to pray to God and thank God for whatever. It's the first thing in life.
Yes,
I
sir.
have to thank God for every little thing, you know?
Yeah.
Thank God.
I'm there I pass through, come here, look, something I feel as well too.
Thank God.
You know, so I'm just passing through to make you get your liquor. You know, the thing goes already. Help out a situation.
Yeah.
Okay, you know me always come at the right time. That you always say, right?
You know, you always come the right time, my brother. Always come the right time.
Never a wrong time.
No, you always come.
So which time is going to be the time when time is not?
No, God provide every time.
Yeah.
God provide and God say I know.
Yeah.
You see me, brother?
Yeah.
God, see me have some clothes, me get the lady what they say wash them, you know. Because I can't manage to washing again.
Oh, you make someone wash it for you?
Yes, I'm a pay them.
Okay.
Pay them. Right now, I still war.
Still war?
Yeah.
So may you owe no more. So it's an or now you can go pay the bill.
Thank God. Thank God.
So we have a donation here from Wendy from the UK. It's Wendy from the UK.
Wendy.
Yeah.
God bless you, Wendy.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
So Wendy sent $19,000 for you.
Thank you very much, Wendy.
19,000 here for you from Wendy. So count it, so it's 19.
Yes. Oh, yes. Yes. God bless you, Wendy. I'm a dust, but more one cup of dust, can clothes them in there for wash out. There's somebody wash my clothes. I'm a the lady. 1,500. And she tell me that she buy something. I never remember she tell me she buy. But I give her $2,000 now. You see?
Yeah.
Come to go war, so I have to give her $2,000 now and pay her. You see? Because I never have no money.
Okay.
And God bless you, Wendy. God bless you for this, and thank you very much. May God protect you and make life easy for you, and make you successful in your work, where you do all your bills, where you do, and grant you paradise. God bless you, Wendy. God bless you.
From the UK.
From the UK. God bless you.
All right then, Patrick. So we're glad she could help.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm glad I could bring it for you. For you to
and
get.
thank you very much, Kino.
Yes, sir.
And Dream Team. God bless Dream Team. And thank you very much, Wendy.
All right.
Wendy from the UK.
Yeah.
God bless.
So you can buy some stuff with that now and just pay a bill. I know so that can help out a little situation.
Me can buy, me have rice in there, and me have flour. Really care come give me.
Yeah.
Only meat can me have and seasoning.
So yes, I buy some meat kind with that.
Yes, I can buy some meat kind and seasoning.
All right then, you know the Lord provides.
God bless. God bless
Wendy
from UK. God bless you. And thank you very much for this.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Wendy.
All right, then, Patrick. So big up yourself, yeah?
You too.
And we catch up.
Yes, kid.
All right, then. Bless. Yeah, man. You know, like over there, we're going to say we get scanner and Philip size.
Dream Team. Bless up, Dream Team.
All right, then. Yeah.
Bless up.
Wendy. Yeah.
Bless Wendy.
All right, we'll thank her again for you. All right, Wendy. So Patrick, thank you so much, for blessing him, with that donation. Thank you so much, Wendy, from the UK. Blessings and give thanks. Scanner. Scan them.
You are thanks.
What go on?
You are thanks to Dream Team, real family.
Yeah, real family.
You know, lele business. We can have a technology at the things where things getting technology wise, So we have to add on still.
Yes, sir.
Because we not bound with a certain amount of values like you don't know how the world deals with it.
Yeah.
You have to climb the technology program,
Of course.
And keep it real, Not because you have to keep it real. We mash up the thing them,
You mash up the thing them?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Why?
You see, we have a big word what you call it. Not now.
So what you say, you mash up the things them inside?
Yeah, in a sense.
Why? What's going on?
Because I just don't know technology yet, neither. Gravitated to it full bunks at the world. Where is bright and dull around the world. So we have to govern it and gravitate it to what's going on. Slowly but surely. Slow mill grind. It's like just learning to step off in life in technology world. You see, it's a compass, The technology world is like magnet to steel, So it gravitated to man and to the world. You see, it's not really no problem, to man and technology, Just gravitated and love each other. That is technology.
So where you say you mash up? You say you mash up in there, where you mash up?
Roll out and mash up.
Roll out say mash up? So Kenna, come here. So what go on with you? Send up back here, so Kenna, before we come to the house. What go on with you?
The focus on it, and maybe I getting too much all about this anam thing. The anam where like where
algorithm are chipping different money. Algorithm are chipping different money. You see? Just that I go on, man. But we might talk right now.
I'm doing something in the anam world now.
So something that trouble you right now?
In a sense, sometimes like a vision and me take it so personal and suggest, and it causes a very stupid feedback with the stupid word what I'm using around the place. So
you've been thinking a lot. You're going through a lot of stress then. You've been thinking a lot.
I'm putting myself in stress just through the norm where you can really see, you can hear. If you don't select something out of the norm, like talking something where outrage is and not sound so good, where things could be better if I focus on better things where it's not really the norm, where getting to composure of the nerves, technology wise, in a real facts of life, things.
But you not use phone though, Scanner. You don't got phone.
Phone use me.
But you don't have a phone though.
Yeah, I want to banger.
Banger. But not one of them technology one they don't know.
So technology spread like a breeze, so. Like when it's a breeze,
yeah.
You can't stop breeze. No. You have to work technology, and then you can put adjust to what you need, towards what's going on in the world and with technology. So it's great.
So what's really going on with you now? What the problem you want to tell me?
Like, not really. I vision where I utter like certain argument at stupid time and that not necessary.
With someone?
Yeah, where things gotta be extra norm to other people hearing to what say, you know. It's gonna be a quietness or where people can adjust certain arguments and certain talk. Where saying things where it's not really real, doing the things what they say. That can be a complicated motion. So where I should give myself a lot of more behavior and control in vision and have things real where it should be. And in myself, I really focus too much on vision and saying things where it not really much.
You have light inside?
Yeah, light frame.
Turn on the light.
Light frame.
Light frame. Turn on the lights.
So the TV works, scanner?
No, let me turn the TV in a jerk.
Fan I work?
I boom up the fan.
You boom up the fan?
Yeah.
You boom up the fan?
Yeah. I didn't know all about technology till the day before yesterday.
The day before yes.
The technology go where I am now.
Scanner.
And the answer
something really
taking
gone
over.
Scanner place not really used to stay like this, so you know something.
And it's taking over, you know. Gas done, TV, I mash it up.
You mash up the TV?
What do you mean? Hold on, wait, remote, give me.
All the time.
You like hear some talking?
Yeah, I'm putting this button.
What do you mean by you like hear?
What, the TV giving you some talking?
But no, a picture.
Oh, so like I'm waiting in the garden night.
The professor tell me about the TV where I work on them. Jeff, tell me that it's free.
Because I usually, when you come in and scanner place, scanner always have the place clean and nice and good thing.
Like fan and blow and spray up, cologne up. The place,
Something's going off in scanner.
In brain to get a lick, man.
Yeah.
I dream and saying things where it don't match to people and all about.
What you say? What you say about
visions?
What you say opinion? I do what?
A vision and seeing things that people doing, make things that like doing stupid, nasty, stupid things.
You taking medication or something?
I get some, but I don't really care about them at this time.
What kind of medication is this?
The doctor gives me them about our church.
Our church?
Yeah, barrage of people come over there and collect a lot of pills.
Some doctor they come from Japan or China.
We go over too.
Yeah, and
we have some of them pills too. So I don't
from
know.
Japan and China?
Either one of them country them come
Look
from.
at a pill in the back.
And them come give you to scanner?
Look like something.
This something? This?
Yeah.
Yeah, feeling that.
And then people they come from up there.
The vitamin thing them give them. And then
people come
this
up
one
at the center.
one if you take one a day.
At the center.
And then the vitamin one them I think.
Multivitamins, yeah.
Yeah man. I tell you
I
something.
will get a couple of them, you know.
So those one are what? Where you get that one
recently, doctor, I went by the church over
by the
there.
church?
Over the church, come like a different set it come over the church or something.
And give you these?
Yeah.
Some of these pills where man take.
They told me that I have to go to somebody like you and who have a knowledge all about medicine.
I don't have any knowledge about the medicine.
But you have knowledge about what they're all about.
Let me see what it said on the right. Let's see what it said. This,
I know this one.
That's an ibuprofen.
Yeah, buffing them.
Yeah, that's an ibuprofen. So
like
it's about pain.
Yeah, headache.
So that's for pain.
Yeah, and then tell me say this one, we not to play with this one, with smoking and certain things.
So this one, what this one said?
And they say this one we can eat it like and drink water.
Aphosation.
You know, like, the taste bad one, you know, like, you know, like, them and like the castor oil kill them on you. I remember them say them
So what are the reasons why you go to them and tell them what's wrong with you, why they give you these things?
And so many.
I never used to be like this.
So many things where I know what's wrong with me. I tell them, and I listen in the doctor room. Other people tell them a lot of things what I tell them. So I say, what's that? I don't see no difference. But a difference with the liberty, it kind of stupid. Where the vision and unarmed, like certain unarmed arguments where people talk, and I'm there a long time now and I learn all kind of lifestyle. Not really getting out and doing things. Like vision and saying things after the vision, that's stupid too. You know? That's
so like what kind of vision seeing things then, you keep on seeing things?
Not really. Alright.
Is things something talking in your mind?
Not
Your
not
voice?
really. I talking in something mind.
Your voice?
I talking in something mind.
Yeah, your voice in your head, man. That you hear somebody talking in your head, man. And that I go on with you, man.
Not really.
Mean
Depends
really?
on what I'm vision about and try to elaborate.
Guys, something is off. Something is really off with Scanner. Really off. You know, because this is not him. You know, remember, this is not him. He's not speaking as sound. You know, I don't know what to say or what to do at this moment because it sounds like say his mental is going another way. You know, these medication that he's taking, I don't know what they're for. Or they gave it to them because you always have some ill people who's come in the community and then try to give them medication and they don't know what it's for. So it's literally taking a toll on Scanner right now, which is confusing because I don't even know what to say or what's going on with him. But something is not adding up how it's supposed to. You know, so tell me what you guys think in the comment section. You know, please tell me what you think. So I'm gonna head on to get Philip's shoe size, you know, and then I don't know what I can do right now. But this look like he definitely need help. He needs some form of help, mental help. I don't know. Yeah, this is something that is new because we never know him as this. Never know. I don't know. Alright, Scanner.
Boy, my girlfriend, what I do more swallow.
Huh?
Look on them.
What you say?
Show them.
When you got a foreign what?
One of them ganja seed them want swallow.
You want to swallow these when you're going to foreign?
Let's more want to have a lot of greenhouse in foreign. What you have me water? Good for carrot.
So you're gonna swallow all of these weed seeds to bring up foreign?
Yeah. I think a bowl of porridge with some milk. Coconut milk.
Alright, Scanner, let me go do here. Now I get some information from what kind of help me can really bring for you right now. Yeah?
I mean, if you just try help myself and stop act stupid after vision stupid things and saying stupid things to people. Nothing no wrong with Scanner yet. When we dead, that's wrong with Scanner. Somebody will have to pay. Because if I'm doing and saying certain things after vision and people don't really like that talk, people will defend it because they are family. You know? And shot will fire. You understand?
Alright, Scanner, just take it easy.
You see last night, I made it out, my gun, and I will be the act stupid.
Alright, Scanner, will you check your back, yeah?
Yeah.
Take care.
And I guess I would like a destroy the gun and a barbecue. If a man eat, no gas done, everything goes wrong. But guess what? And that violating.
Let them back 100,000.
And that violating the visit what to give me. Because what is a vision and a talking too much stupidness after the vision.
Alright, listen.
And people don't like that.
Alright then.
Shot gonna fire if when everybody harass the good mind person. You know?
Alright, Scanner. I will check your back, right?
Yeah.
Just get some rest.
Yeah.
Alright? Just get something to eat. Buy something to eat with that. Alright? Alright. Don't worry. Let me check Philip and get him size. Oh my God. Philip! Philip, where are you going?
Yeah.
All is well?
Yeah, man, respect.
I want your shoe size again. Somebody wants to know.
8.
Size 8. What's wrong with Scanner?
Yeah, man.
It's not really too sound. No sound okay. When last you seen?
I'm not going to sleep.
Okay. Alright then. So size 8, right?
8.5.
8.5. Alright then, Philip. Alright then, Philip. Yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Alright guys, I don't know where I'm going.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.